afternoon, friends. Today I am going to make the video on differentiation, class 11 topic. In differentiation, there are two types of the topics. One topics include differentiation from first principle method, by which you can learn how to obtain the differentiation of any function. As other thing is that rules and formulas of differentiation which help find the derivative of any function. These are the prominent topic. If I talk about R.S. Agarwal, this thing is given in exercise B, and this is A, C, D and E. Okay, so I hope you understood what is going on in this chapter. So first of all, I'm going to start with differentiation from first principle method. How we can proceed with this method? In this method, we take y as dependent variable and x as independent variable. So y depends upon fx, or y plus delta y is equal to f x plus delta x, where del x is a small change in x and delta y is a small change in y, means fractional change, very less. Fractional change. If you subtract second minus 1, what you get? Delta y is equal to f x plus delta x minus fx. By dividing delta x, we can get x plus delta x minus fx upon delta x. Now limit delta x equal to 0, del y by del x is equal to f x plus delta x minus fx upon del x. So the term limit delta x tends to 0, del y by del x is known as dy by dx, that is differentiation of y with respect to x. So here what is the value of dy by dx? So limit delta x tends to 0, f x plus delta x minus fx upon delta x. This is the differentiation rule. How can you find the differentiation of any function? Okay, by using this formula, by using this method, we can find the differentiation of any formula. Suppose y is equal to e to the power x. I want to find the differentiation of y is equal to e to the power x exponential function. So our step is y plus delta y is equal to e to the power x plus delta x, because x is found in the power, so the changes will be happen in the power only. Okay, now after subtracting we are getting e to the power x plus delta x minus e to the power x, or e to the power x, e to the power delta x, e to the power x. Take e to the power x common. Now next step is delta y by delta x, e to the power x, e to the power delta x minus 1 by delta x. So limit delta x tends to 0, del y by del x is equal to e to the power x, limit delta x tends to 0, e to the power delta x by delta x. This is equal to how much? This is equal to 1. As we know that limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to how much? So therefore, b by derivative of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x with the help of this formula. So by using this differentiation from first principle method, you can able to find the formula of differentiation of any function. Like you guys are knowing about differentiation of sin x is cos x. See how can you prove that differentiation of sin x is cos x. Suppose y is equal to sin x, so y plus delta y is equal to sin x plus delta. Here x is present in angle, so the changes will be happen in angle only. So delta y is equal to sin x plus delta x minus sin x. How? We can subtract 2 minus 1. Now this is the formula of sin c minus sin d, and we have a formula that 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into sin a plus a minus b upon 2, or 2 cos 2x plus delta x by 2 into sin delta x by 2xx here cancel out. This is the value of del y. Now what is the value of del y by del x? So we can write del x with a sign, because you know in limit we have to adjust the sine and tan, not the cos. So we cannot worry about the cos. So here we can write in 2 into cos 2x plus delta x by 2 into sin del x upon 2 upon del x. Now we can multiply 2 above and before, because we need del x by 2 in the denominator. So for making this arrangement, we are multiplying 2 in numerator and denominator in the denominator part. So see, these 2 and these 2 cancel out. So if you take limit, so what happened? This is equal to dy by dx, and this is equal to, there are two functions, first function and then the second function. So limit delta x tends to 0, cos 2x plus del x by 2, limit del x by 2 tends to 0, sin del x by 2, del x by 2. So what we are getting, dy by dx is equal to, see, del x is 0, the 2x by 2, it becomes x, so it is equal to cos x into 1. That is cos x, because the value of this is equal to 1. Why 1? Because we know that this is on the format of limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. So in this way we can apply the differentiation from first principle method to find the differentiation of any given function. Now rules of differentiation. What are the various rules of differentiation? The rules are: first, addition subtraction rule, like d by dx of u plus minus v is equal to du by dx plus minus dv by dx. Second one is product rule. D by dx of u into v is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Third one is quotient rule. That is d by dx of u upon v is equal to v whole square v du by dx u dv by dx. Fourth one is chain rule. Y depend upon t, t depend upon fx. How can you find dy by dx? We can differentiate y with respect to t and then t with respect to x. This way we can obtain the chain rule. These are the rules of differentiation. Now we are going to write in some basic formula of the differentiation which we need to solve the question. So basic formula is d by dx of x k power n is equal to n into x k power n minus 1 e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. D by dx of log x 1 by x. D by dx of a to the power x, a to the power x log a. D by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. D by dx of tan x is equal to sec square x. D by dx of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. D by dx of sec x, that is sec x into tan x. D by dx of cosec x, that is minus cosec x into cot x. Next, d by dx of constant is equal to g. These are the basic formula which we need to solve the question of differentiation. Okay. I am taking some simple questions from every room. Like first question, if you want to differentiate y is equal to x into cos x. So this is based upon product rule, like u into v. How can you differentiate? Dy by dx can be written as dx d by dx of cos x plus cos x dy dx of x. So this is x into minus sin x. As you know, the cos x differentiation is minus x minus sin x plus cos x into 1, as we know that differentiation of x is 1. Now y is equal to e to the power x upon tan x. See, this is the format of u by v. So it will be solved by quotient rule. How we are going to apply the quotient rule? V whole square, then v, then d by dx of e to the power x minus e to the power x, then d by dx of tan x. So this is e to the power x into tan x minus e to the power x into sec square x upon tan square x. If you take e to the power x common, so our answer will be tan x minus sec square x upon tan square x. This is on the quotient rule, based upon the quotient rule. But the most important thing is that in this chapter we must understood how the differentiation of chain rule is proceeding, because only those questions is going to ask in the examination only. One topic that is differentiation from first principle, and other topic that is chain rule. Only these topic are prominent and most important from the differentiation point of view. So based upon chain rule, suppose we want to differentiate cos x square. So what happening here? Cos x square is depend upon x square is depend upon x. So how can you write here? Dy by dx is equal to d of cos x square, d of x square into d of x square upon dx, or minus sin x square into 2x. Answer. Because differentiation of cos is minus sin, and differentiation of x square, you can apply the formula n into x to the power n minus 1. So 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, we are getting 2x. Like if you want to differentiate y is equal to cos square x, see, this can be written as cos x whole square by the general knowledge of trigonometry. What happened here? Here cos x square depend upon cos x depend upon x. This is the format of x square. This is the format of x square. So how can you write? Dy by dx is equal to d of cos x whole square depend upon d of cos x into d of cos x upon d of x. So this is equal to 2 cos x into minus sin x. Okay. Suppose if you want to differentiate y is equal to e to the power root x. So dy by dx, how can you proceed? D of e to the power root x upon d of e to the power d root x into d of root x upon dx. So e to the power root x into 1 by 2 root x. Suppose if you want to differentiate y is equal to sin 3x, how can you proceed? Sin 3x depend upon 3x. So d of sin 3x, d of 3x into d of 3x upon x. So cos 3x into 3. Its answer will be cos 3x into 3. You can understand the consequence of the chain, because you must understood the difference between basic function, general function and derived function. What is the basic function and what is derived function? Means e to the power x is basic function. Its derived function is e to the power root x, e to the power sin x, e to the power log x, e to the power 2x, e to the power x log x, e to the power tan 3x. So these are the derived one. These are the derived function, and this is the basic function. This is general function. So the basic thing is that the differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. Means differentiation of e to the power root x, e to the power root x. But what is the differentiation for root x? That must be multiplied. Like e to the power sin x, e to the power sin x into sin x का differentiation cos x. So its answer will be e to the power sin x into cos x. So likewise, we can proceed for the other function also. So that's all about from my side for the differentiation topic. Thank you everyone.